Good morning students. I am going to take class for 5th standard science. Today we will learn about parts of the human brain and their functions. Parts of the human brain and their functions. How does your hand pick up food to put it into the mouth? Do you have any ideas? Okay, I will tell you. Our brain controls and coordinates the functions of the body. Next, how do you remember things that you read? Brain stores all the information. It controls working of the sense organs and all the other organs. It also helps us learn and remember things. Next, we will see the parts of the brain. The brain is the master of the body. It is located within the bony skull. It is located within the bony skull. This is skull. This skull protects the brain. The human brain is unique. The human brain is unique. What does it look like? The brain looks like a cap with folds and lines. How does it work? The human brain can be divided into three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, next brainstem or medulla. First, cerebrum. This part is cerebrum. You can see this part. This whole part is cerebrum. Next, the smallest part is cerebellum. The smallest part is cerebellum. Next, this part is brainstem or medulla. Next, functions of the parts. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest and the topmost part of the brain. It is responsible for our thinking. It controls our sense organs and our emotions. Sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. The largest topmost part of the brain. If the cerebrum is inactive, we will not be able to hear, see and smell. Then we will not be able to think properly. We will not be able to do anything. So the cerebrum is very important part of the brain of our body. Then cerebrum also help us to remember things, solve different kinds of problems, understand many use of words. These are all the functions of the cerebrum. Next, cerebellum. The smallest part is cerebellum. Cerebellum or little brain is situated below the cerebrum. Is situated below the cerebrum. It helps the body to maintain the balance. It also coordinates the movement of the muscles. If the cerebellum is inactive, then we will not be able to balance our body and we will simply fall to the ground. So the cerebellum is also important part of our body. Next, brainstem or medulla. Brainstem. It connects the cerebrum with the spinal cord. It controls all the involuntary activities of the body like breathing, beating of the heart and digestion. It is also called medulla oblongata. It's active even when we sleep. The cerebrum and the cerebellum is not active when we sleep, but the brainstem is active when we sleep throughout the day and night. Okay, next, how can we take care of the brain? It is necessary to take care of the brain. The brain should be given enough rest. Besides about 8 hours of sleep, yoga and meditation also help to relax the brain. Eating a balanced diet helps to keep the brain fit. We also need to protect it from injury. Okay, today we learned parts of the human brain and their functions. I hope it's very useful to you. Take care of your brain. Thank you.